Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. It's day 2 of our spring planting. Got quite a bit done yesterday. Go back and look at our video for our day 1 of spring planting. We still have a whole heck of a lot to do. It's about, 56, 57 degrees here. We're going to have another strong south wind like we did yesterday. Not sure if the sun's going to come out. It's very overcast, but that's okay. We'll get it done. And we're expecting rain next week, so this is a perfect time for us to go ahead and get the rest of it in the ground so that we can take advantage of the good Lord's rain that's coming. Stay tuned for day 2. Let's get started. Our trellises up. This is where we're going to plant our cucumbers and our watermelons and our cantaloupes. They do vertically grow quite well. It keeps them off the ground. It keeps them aerated really good. It keeps the insects off of them. So now I'm going to get started. I'm going to build these mounds up a little bit higher. I just saw where we're expecting 2 to 4 inches of rain next week. So I want to make sure that these are high enough that the rain is not going to flood them out. Okay, just like our squash and zucchini, we grow our cucumbers the mound method. So I've got my mound made, and we are growing Chicago pickling. I've tried to grow the Boston pickling over the years, and I just seem to have a lot better results from the Chicago pickling that we get from Baker Heirloom, and we harvest some of our own. I'm going to start with my Baker Heirlooms. So I'm going to start here at the top of the mound. Seeds there, and I'm going to go around the mound just like we did with the squash and zucchini and put 2 seeds in each hole. Cover them up, pat them in good. And on to the next one. Here's mound 2. Last year we only had 2 mounds, and I was able to pickle and can about 20-25 pints of pickles. Dill pickles is what we like. My family enjoys them too. So this year I'm going to do about 4 mounds so I can increase my yield in my canning. Last year I had a goal to can 150 pints. Oops. I got real close to that, but I didn't meet it. So this year that's what I'm shooting for. The next 3 mounds, I'm going to plant my French petite cantaloupes. These are the seeds I saved from last year. I have had these seeds probably 6 or 7 years, maybe a little longer. Well, I shouldn't say the seeds. I have grown these 6 or 7 years, and I harvest my own seeds every year. I'm going to do the same thing, the mound method. These cantaloupes grow up really, really good. On a trellis. They are personal size cantaloupes. They're delicious and they're beautiful. Now it's time to move on to my watermelons. Same planting method, the mound method. This year I'm going to grow the early moonbeam, which is what I grew last year. It also is a personal sized watermelon. These are seeds that I harvested from my watermelons last year. And I'm going to grow the Black Mountain. These also are personal size. The difference is this is a yellow meat and this is a red meat. Let's get started. Onto the Blacktail Mountain watermelons. Same way. This is the first year I've grown these, so if they are successful, I will save my seeds for next year. And I always reserve seeds. I never plant my whole harvest of seeds on anything in this garden because if we get a late freeze, I may have to replant, so I want to make sure that I don't plant everything that could possibly die off in a late freeze. So I can go back and replant, which I've had to do in the past years, but it's not often. Okay, we have finished planting what we're going to plant in our main garden right here. It's taken us about a day and a half. I'm super stoked and excited about getting everything done already since we are expecting a lot of rain next week. Still got a very strong wind from the south. The sun hasn't come out yet. I did have to go ahead and put on a sweatshirt because I was getting a little chilled. We started getting some drizzle and got a little damp and with the wind, and it's only probably about 65 degrees right now. Got a little chilly, but it's actually very good for the cool weather plants, and rain next week that we're expecting, I'm very excited about because it will make everything just pop within 14 days. We're getting ready to start the raised bed garden back here in just a little bit. Very excited. I hope you guys are out there gardening too. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, I ask that you do subscribe to our channel and that you like this video and share it with your friends. It's time to get out there and garden, folks. I hope you're doing the exactly same thing I am doing right now. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate you guys. God bless and have a great weekend.